Transform your team collaboration using Zoho Cliq. We would love to share some tips that we used to enhance our team collaboration while using Zoho Cliq. Zoho Cliq is a business messaging tool that lets teams communicate in real time. Members can create channels for specific projects or teams and make audio and video calls to work more productively with their teams. Making the choice to use Zoho Cliq as our internal communication platform has vastly benefited our team. It's simplified our team communication with organized conversations, easy to access information, and integrates Zoho Cliq to our favorite Zoho software applications. Here are some tips that helped us use Zoho Cliq to collaborate effectively with our teams. Tip 1. On Zoho Cliq, we can easily schedule daily morning and afternoon calls with our teams to stay updated with our projects and productivity. Every day, our team members need to collaborate on projects. Using Cliq, we can easily make a call directly from any personal chat or group chat. For an even stronger collaboration, we can easily share our screen in the call. This enables us to keep everyone on the same page at all times. Tip 2. We use channels for dedicated, project-specific group communication. For example, we created a team-wide channel called Marketing Suggestions, dedicated to sharing marketing ideas, tips, and recommendations. Using Cliq enables us to streamline our discussions with channels, a smart, transparent space for synchronous team collaboration. Channels is a great way for our teams to make sure our projects and topic ideas, resources, and work aligns with our team members, ensuring that our projects are successfully executed. We use preset presence updates to let our team members know when we are available to collaborate. Zoho Cliq gives users a good view of who's available, away, or busy in a meeting. Be more efficient with your team by knowing if your team members are available to have a discussion, if they are in a meeting, or if they are away from their workspace. Tip 4. We use reminders to stay up to date and never miss important messages. We stay on top of important messages and requests by setting in-chat reminders. This way, Zoho Cliq will make sure that we never accidentally let something important slip away, while at the same time organizing messages for an easy view of what you need to be reminded to do. Tip number 5. We easily organize and stay on top of our messages with Zoho Cliq's message starring feature. You can bookmark or save important messages, images, and videos by starring them in relevant categories that can be accessed at any time. Tip 6. We continue to build our company culture through lively conversations using Emojis and GIFs. Something as simple as sharing GIFs and reacting to a message with Emojis brings your team together, letting your team know what you think. GIFs are known to be an effective and creative way to communicate and engage with your team members. Tip 7. We are able to communicate with our team members while we are on the go. Cliq is available on mobile and tablet devices, in iOS and Android operating systems. Chat your way to productive business communication wherever you are on any device. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, simply leave it in the comment box down below, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on any Zoho software, telephony, or connectivity related content.